So you have a really bad ankle sprain. What do you do now? Ankle sprains, I think, don't get the credit they deserve in how bad they can present, how debilitating they can be, and how swollen your ankle really gets after an ankle sprain. I've had people in my clinic who come in with an ankle sprain convinced their ankle is broken, that's how bad it is. So I don't think that you should underestimate how bad an ankle sprain can feel. Everyone has a different algorithm for treatment. Typically with bad ankle sprains, I think a short period of boot immobilization for a couple weeks is important. After that, as long as your symptoms are improving, I get you out of the boot into a brace and a lot of physical therapy, time, and patience. I think one thing that people underestimate is how long it takes for an ankle sprain to get better and to feel normal from, and that can really take several months. So be patient, do the right physical therapy, and that will really help you bounce back a lot faster from an ankle sprain.